What's up, YouTube? Right, we've got Potluck, Barcrest, MPU4 Mod 2 this, because it's pretty old to be fair, 1986 I would have thought. Really recently picked it up. It came off eBay, pretty cheap to be fair. I was working nights, had a quick look on eBay at about 5:30 in the morning, and there it was on a buy it now. So clicked it, paid for it, and that was that. 240-ish mile round trip. Bedford I went. Yeah, 120 miles. Was there literally seconds. Chucked it in the van and brought it back. MPU. The MPU's actually quite tidy in it. It did boot. Well, I say boot. Not, you can't really call it boot. I had these were on. No lights anywhere else. I had a mess about with the fuses. There were loads of packs of fuses inside it. So they'd bought it from an auction and they'd tried to get it working. So they'd been moving fuses about. There were fuses double the frigging size what they should have been in certain slots. So started again and put all the correct fuses in, and we got lights and we got boot, but what I can't remember what were happening. It weren't doing something anyway. So we've ended up changing the MPU and the PSU. I need to double check the PSU because it is really tidy. I don't know where it is now. Put it away somewhere. It's really tidy, so I've got a feeling it might be alright. So we'll try that again at some point, but it's working now. Really good condition for what, 30 odd year old. I'm happy with it. I do have oh, it's dark around here, hang on. I do have crackpot, almost the same. The chances are this will be going to Ireland. I'll give it to Darren for, well, Darren knows what he's getting it for and he's more than happy with it. That's if he wants it, you don't have to have it. I've got someone else what wants it. Also just picked up Spotted Dick. It works, but it's got no sound. I need to send away the board for anyone that's interested. Probably not, but I'll show you it anyway. The board is really clean, in like ridiculously clean for a Scope 2. But the sound, they don't usually have a sound card on, to be fair. I think it's because this is made by Global. Usually that sound chip goes there. I have tried it there, but it doesn't work still, and I haven't got another Scorpion 2 machine to test it, so it'll be going for testing. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I've got a friend what wants the board and the PSU, so it could end up, yeah, I don't even want to say what it could end up, so I'm not even going to bother. So right, get back to the machine in question. Got too many in here now. That crackpot's going to be coming out so I can fit Indian properly. Fully working, but you might see at some point in this video, once it gets hot, develops a slight issue, slight lamping issue where some of these start lighting up when they shouldn't be. We will see. Also, I need to change one of the payout solenoids. It was literally blown apart, to be fair. I think currently it pays out 10s and 50s, but not pounds. Probably pull one out of the crackpot. Just been frigging busy just lately with that bloody indie and that Spotted Dick as well, and I've just recently got a PC, so I've been putting an emulator on it. I've had a lot of help off a guy off Mecca. I'm not going to mention his name, so he's been helping with that. So hopefully the next step is to start doing ROMs, possibly for myself and to help friends out. think the only real difference between this and Crackpot is the fact that it's got G for George. It's literally the same machine, hence why one of them, hence why the Crackpot will be going. There's just no point having both. If I had the room, I'd keep both, no problem. I think I used to only have 3 in this middle, which then gave me a good bit of room if I needed to pull impacts out either end. But because I've got that many, I've ended up putting 4. When I say 4, there's 8 because they're back to back, and it's made it pissing difficult. So I'm not really happy with it, to be honest. So a couple more will be going. Like a gamble, does it? Likes that skill. If you're not familiar with G for George, it is autoplay. If you've watched any of my other videos, the blackjack and the pontoon, they also had it. It does everything for you, even gambles. If it fails, you've got a chance. Good for home use if you want to build like the pots up, put a load of quids through it and just whack G for George on and leave it. Well, the lamp issue seems to be behaving itself. Let's hope we haven't cursed it. Crackpot seems to like to gamble a lot better than this. Oh, 560 lamps out. Got it anyway. Dee dee dee. Nice. There you have it. If I try and pay out, it's not going to pay out because the pound solenoid is not connected. It will. No, it will. It won't pay out, sorry. Just clear it. It does try paying out 50s and 10s if they're in it, but it can't pay out from the pound, so I change that solenoid. Thanks for watching.